Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a simple, easy to make African print headband. Now measure and cut out 18 inches long and 6 inches width. Double hem it if you want to, or serge it like I did. Now I can just go ahead and fold this sides. Take it to the machine now. Now it's all sewn and it's clean. The next thing we do, you gather the two edges, gather it like this, then sew. You can pin it down with pin if you want to. Do the same at the other edge. I'll take it to the sewing machine and sew now. It is all sewn. Trim it all clean and move on to the next stage, which is cut out 12 inches by 2.5 inches for the strap that you will be using at the back of the band. I've already sewn it, so I'm just gonna bring out the inside out. You can use this tool that I'm using here or use a safety pin, but just bring the inside out like this. Now you need to iron it to make it flat, because you'll be needing to thread your elastic through it. So you get your elastic. This is 4 inches. It has to be slimmer than the width of that strap. The slimmer the elastic, the stretchier and softer it is. So I like to make sure that it's way thinner, not in a way that it will break in between. Now thread your elastic through the strap. Make sure not to pull it all out. Hold it tight and stitch. Now it's stitched. Do same at the other end. Pull the pin through and bring it out. Leave a few centimeters out and stitch just the same way you did at the other edge. Now it's done. Now bring the large piece and place it the right side facing up, and place the strap right side facing each other. You put it in between, fold the two sides just like I'm doing. You see that? Now you sew. We are going to be doing the same thing on the other side. Place this right side facing each other, fold, hold it and sew. Now it's done. Trim off the excess. Now you can now turn it and see how clean it is. Do you see that? It's all done. Voila. You can iron it. I cut out all unwanted straps and threads, and you got your headband. This will fit even a very full hair. That is why you have the elastic at the back. You see how stretchy it is? Now let's try it on our mannequin. It's beautiful and easy to wear. I think you should try to make it, and it's also a good gift. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you back again. Thank you for watching.